Hey kids, this is Mr. G here with your quick theory review over time signatures. In this little lesson, what I'm really wanting you to walk away with is really understanding what the top number and the bottom number represent in a time signature. So, two quick phrases to remember. If it's on top, it means it's what I've got. Simply put, if there's a 6 on top or any other number, that's how many beats you have in a measure. So 6/8, you're going to have 6 beats in a measure. If it's 4/4, you're going to have 4 beats in a measure. 2/2, 2 beats in a measure. 3/1, you're going to have 3 beats in a measure because on top means it's what you got. Now, what about this bottom number right here? We have it in red. If it's underneath, it means it's who gets the beat, okay, or which note we're going to count inside the measure. So if we're in 6/8 right here, we're going to come down here. That 8 means that the 8th note gets the beat. If we're in 4/4, that means the bottom 4 right here, the quarter note now gets the beat. If we're in 2/2, then that 2 on the bottom is going to represent a half note. That means the half note actually gets the beat. And if we're in 3/1, that 1 represents the big old goose egg whole note. That means that we're actually counting by whole notes in a measure. So what does this all look like in actual time signatures? Magic, right? I snap and boom, I kind of move and the board changes just a bit. So check it out. If we have 6/8, this is what it actually looks like. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 notes inside that measure. If I have 4/4, I'm going to have 4 beats in the measure and the quarter note gets the beat. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 quarter notes inside that measure. If I have 2/2 time, that means I'm going to actually have the half note getting the beat, and there's 2 of them in a measure, so 1, 2, that's the full measure. And if I'm in 3/1, then I'm going to have 3 beats in a measure. That whole note down there gets the beat. You got 1, 2, 3. And this is your time signature review.